Hello everyone, welcome to Top Compared. Curtain tracks might seem like a small detail, but they make a huge difference in how smoothly and stylishly your curtains open and close. From modern smart motorized tracks to flexible DIY options, the right choice can completely transform your space. That's why we've picked the top 5 best curtain tracks you can buy right now, balancing durability, functionality, and design. All product links are in the description, so make sure to check them out for the best deals and more info. Now, let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Greywind Motorized Sliding Curtain Track. Best smart option features: motorized track with smart app and remote control. Best for modern homes with smart automation. Pros: works with Alexa/Google, smooth operation, easy setup. The Greywind Motorized Track brings convenience and a touch of luxury with smart home compatibility. At number 4, we have the Koya Smart Electric Curtain Track. Best remote-controlled track features: Remote Plus app control, quiet motor, customizable length. Best for bedrooms and living rooms where silent performance matters. Pros: smooth glide, easy to cut and fit, reliable build. The Koya Smart Track is ideal if you want modern convenience with quiet and efficient operation. At number 3, we have the Nicetown Ceiling Curtain Track Kit. Best budget-friendly pick features: flexible ceiling track with hooks and accessories included. Best for simple room dividers or privacy curtains. Pros: affordable, easy DIY installation, versatile use. This kit is perfect for anyone looking for an inexpensive yet reliable curtain track system. At number 2, we have the Ceiling Curtain Flexible Track. Best for custom spaces features: bendable track, works on bay windows and irregular shapes. Best for custom spaces and unique window layouts. Pros: flexible, strong, customizable length. This flexible track offers great versatility for tricky layouts and modern interiors. And finally, at number 1, we have the Go Deer Design Adjustable Panel Track. Best overall features: modern sliding panel design, adjustable width, cordless system. Best for large windows, patio doors, or room dividers. Pros: stylish, durable, safe, cordless design. The Go Deer panel track is both functional and elegant, making it the best overall pick for modern homes. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best curtain tracks. Whether you're after smart automation, flexibility, or a stylish modern look, there's an option here for every home. All product links are in the description, so check them out for more details and the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top recommendations.